Welcome to how to add a word to your Snapchat vocabulary. So in this video we are going to show you how to add a word to your Snapchat vocabulary. But before start of this video, I want you guys to like this video and subscribe to my YouTube channel. So first of all, what you're gonna need to do is just simply go into the settings of your iPhone, then go to the general, then from here go to the keyboard, and then what you're gonna need to do, tap on text replacement, and here tap on this plus icon. And now here what you're gonna need to do is just type the word that you want to add. So let's suppose you want to add this nomi king. You will tap on save, and then what you're gonna need to do here is you will just open up Snapchat. Okay, so just open up Snapchat, go to the chats option, and let's suppose if I wanted to go to this chat here, so let's suppose if I type here this, so you can see that the word is popped up here. Okay, so that's how you do it. So that's it for this video, guys. If you find it useful, kindly like this video and subscribe to my channel, and I will meet you in the next video.